perform construction layout. I help to coordinate with the construction layout lead to get the guys in the field to help them make sure they've got the data, make sure that the equipment that we have running in the field as far as our eye machines, that they've got the proper model on it, they've been calibrated properly, and to make sure that everything is running smoothly. As far as what I use, I go all the way. I've got the Smart Construction. I have utilized the Smart Construction's remote, drone side, and dashboard for efficiency of the jobs. As a software, remote gives me the ability to sit at my desk and to be able to access into the control module of the machine, to be able to see what the operator sees at any moment. If they're having, grading issues, say they've come across a spot in the model that's maybe got a bad elevation, they can say, hey, I'm having this issue. It gives me the ability to get to that machine without leaving. It's nearly 2-hour drive for us to get to Palm Coast, and anytime we had a situation on site, they were calling me, I was having to drop and drive 2 hours, and this has made itself very valuable to us to be able to save time.
It's just more convenient. He might be on another job and we need to put a job in this machine. He can't get here, he can pull it up, do it from wherever he's at. That's it, ready to go.
To be able to shoot the as-built on as far as for the pipe and all, we have been using the iMachine excavators. That has been a game changer. It's allowed us to be much more accurate, not just on pipe. It helps us on ponds, make sure the ponds are dug to depth the first time around. It keeps us moving in linear instead of having to constantly go back over ourselves. So the dashboard, it allows us to see our site. It gives us the ability to bring in modeling information, CAD information, to be able to see the line work. We are able to bring in as-built data from the machines, as well as be able to bring in as-built data from our drones to be able to see that progress in real time. The drone side has been, it's just been great towards efficiency. You can reference from a previous drone flight or a previous as-built information to where you can prove out from this date to this day what has been happening on site, almost to a pinpoint accuracy. I could not have asked for any better people to deal with out of Linder. It's been phenomenal with making sure that I have been trained to help us train the guys in the field. With these programs, there's unlimited potential, and I am constantly learning to be able to further the progress of these jobs efficiency-wise.
Pretty much we run all Linder equipment, iMachine, dozers, hoes, loaders, iMachine excavators. It's amazing. It's especially on digging ponds, not having to put a dozer in the bottom of your pond anymore. On the pipe side, water line, getting your depth right, and also gotten down to the as-built and get rid of the surveyor right there and lock it in, and there you go. Well, Linder's been a big help for product support and tech. With Linder, if we can't something we can't fix, Linder can log on and fix it right there. Oh yeah, that's a big game changer. Saving on man time coming to the field, fuel. That's huge. That's why I have 98% Komatsu.